Hi, this is Tracy Collingridge with Momentum Realty. It's another incredible day in Loreto, Mexico, and today we are here in Loreto Bay. Loreto Bay is a pedestrian-style village, and we are in this incredible beachfront home, FN04. We've got so much to see, and let's go take a look at the rest of the house. FN04 in Loreto Bay is a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom beachfront home. It has incredible sea and mountain views and is just steps to the 9th hole of the Loreto Bay golf course. As soon as you walk into this home, you see this incredible 30-foot long pool, which has a hot tub, a full bathroom with outdoor shower just off the pool area. There's a large garage for golf cart parking and storage, large laundry room with linen closet. There's a separate media and family room and an open kitchen, dining, living room plan. Also, there's an outdoor kitchen and living room. And then on the second level, there is also a grill and entertaining area and a 3rd level viewing tower. This house is very spacious, perfect for large families or entertaining. And if you like to make and drink margaritas, you have your own lime tree and mango tree. Look at this incredible pool, plenty big enough for a huge family. You've got this amazing water feature flowing into the pool. For the cooler nights in the winter, we've got an incredible hot tub. What's really amazing about the design of this house is we have a leading out to the beach. We have sliding doors that can be open during times right now where you want to bring in that beautiful breeze. But in the winter months when it's colder and you've got a cool wind, you can close all that off. Keeps this space beautiful and perfect, and you can use this pool any time of the day, any time of the year. Some nice seating while you can watch people at the pool. Great spaces for lounging. We've got a nice covered area if you want to have a little siesta, have some drinks with friends. And then of course we've got this incredible beach, but we'll see that a little bit later. And then you've got just off the kitchen, you've got an outdoor kitchen, cook center, and most importantly, you have as well your own pool, full bathroom, shower, powder room, everything you need. And this is one of my favorite outdoor spaces in one of the homes here in Loreto Bay. Now, next we're going to go see the views. We're going to go up to the tower and we're going to learn a bit more about the interior spaces of this home. Follow me. Check out these incredible mountain views, and I love the rooftops of the homes here in Loreto Bay. But I have a great surprise for you. The best view is right here. Come check this out. Look at that. Best view in all of Loreto. You've got the golf course. You have, you can see the airport, watch your friends come in. You have Nopalo Rock. And if you take a look at how this home is positioned with all the other homes, the tower is actually considerably closer to the beach than the rest of the homes, which opens up this view up the beach to Nopalo Rock. You've got Carmen Island and Coronado in the background. You can hear the sea, you can smell the sea air, you can feel that breeze. You won't find a better place to hang out than up here. Thank you for watching us to the end today at Momentum Realty. To get more information on this incredible home, which has amazing value, go to our website, buyloreto.com. Also, if you're not already following us, follow us on our social media. We are on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.